Hi there, at kamusta po mga masters? It's 8:22 a.m. here in the Philippines and I would like to greet you all a happy, pleasant, good morning. Okay mga masters, I'm so happy and I want to share to you this good news because Art and Music Adventure already has 300 plus subscribers and I want to thank you all for appreciating my channel and thank you for subscribing, and I hope that we carry on and stay with me in this journey. And in addition to that announcement, I just bought a camera which I will be using for my succeeding art and music sessions, so I want to show it to you guys. And this is it. This is the Canon EOS M100. And I bought this camera simply because I wanted my videos to look more clear, to look more beautiful as far as viewing is concerned. So let's move on with our art session. It's going to be a time lapse using my mechanical pencil. And this is my version of a scarecrow, an on-the-spot drawing using my friendly neighborhood mechanical pen. And I'm so happy of what I just finished and I feel so great. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click that bell button to be alerted for new videos. This is Art and Music Adventure saying goodbye and have a nice day.